Hello, this is Beverly from pamperedvegan.blogspot.com. There are a lot of ways to wash strawberries. You can put them in a colander and run them under a faucet, or you can wash them individually under a faucet. But if you put them in a bowl and put water over them so that they can soak, then you'll get off all of the dirt and any of the little leaves that are stuck to it, and you're not wasting all the water that would just be running down the drain. It is important to wash organic strawberries just as regular strawberries. There's still going to be maybe little dead bugs or some dirt. The green bits from the leaves are what might cause mold, so you want to make sure that you get all of that removed. Now, once they have been taken out of the bowl of water and you set them on a clean towel to dry, you don't have to dry them a lot, but just get most of the excess water off of it. Then you want to slice off the little green tops. So try to keep as much of the fruit as you can, but you don't want to have any of the green part. Depending on what you're going to do with the strawberries will determine how you want to slice them. You can do thin slices or little chunks if you're putting them in cereal or making a cheesecake or whatever it is that you're going to do. You want to cut them for whatever your end product is going to be. Sometimes maybe you want to stuff your strawberries, or you find that the inner core is kind of hard, so you want to get rid of it. You just slice it out and then cut up your strawberry like you're going to use it anyway. And then other times you may find that a strawberry has a bad spot. Maybe it has a bunch of seeds all together that you don't think looks very appetizing, so you want to cut that out. And it's okay to use the rest of the strawberry all around it. You don't want to waste that part. And then you can put the tops of the strawberries in your composting pile.